Hey everybody, I'm doing a how-to on how you can add a class notebook onto one of your teams. So if you go back here, I'm going to show you an example. If you go into my geometry class notebook, click on class notebook on the top, it will load your class notebook. If you go down to content library, this is where everything that I copied over. So you can see that I have all my units in here. I just put all of them over. The only thing that it will not do is it will not add sections that are not in content library or your teacher only space. So for example, this was usually my bell ringer section. So what I did is I did a digital learning 101. So I'm going to type on what to expect for the kids to, for the students to do when they're digital learning, and I'll do my how-to videos there, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you go into your test, up at the top you'll see Post Files Class Notebook. We want to click on Class Notebook. When you click on Class Notebook, it's going to have you click on this button. It says Set up a OneNote Class Notebook. It'll ask you if you want a blank notebook or you want to add from an existing notebook content. You're going to click on that. Over here, it's just saying that students can edit the sections and teachers can edit. You're going to go to add content and you're going to click on what notebook you want to add from. So I'm going to, for this one, just add for my geometry. It'll load up your two sections. I'm going to only upload these sections, and I'm not going to upload anything from my teacher only for this time. You're going to press done. Not going to upload any teacher only sections. You're going to press next. This asks if you want to set up any sections for your students to create their own spaces. I don't have my students work with this as much, so I'm going to not worry about it. I'm just going to press create. And then it's going to work on copying all those sections over. Once this is done, you're going to see a message that says your class notebook is ready. We'll send you a team message when all your sections have been copied. So you'll get a notification. So if you go over to chat, you'll get a OneNote class notification that says they've just been successfully copied over to your geometry notebook. All right. So I hope that helps.